Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Artist Marilyn Dingle's intricate coiled baskets are blank, sweetgrass, and palmetto palm. Following a gullah technique that originated in West Africa, Dingle skillfully winds a thin palm frond around a bunch of sweetgrass with the help of a sewing bone to create the basket's signature look that no factory can reproduce. So in this text, it highlights how the coiled baskets are made from sweetgrass and palmetto palm, where the artist Marilyn Dingle skillfully winds a thin palm frond around a bunch of sweetgrass. And it's also highlighted that these baskets are handmade, that no factory can reproduce them. So looking at the answer choices, we can see option choice A says indicated by. This is incorrect because indicated by means signified by. But this doesn't properly capture the correct meaning because these coiled baskets are not signified by sweetgrass and palmetto palm. Instead, they're made from sweetgrass and palmetto palm. So because indicated by doesn't correctly capture the meaning of the coiled baskets being made from sweetgrass and palmetto palm, A is incorrect. B. Handmade from. This seems to be the correct answer because the baskets are made from sweetgrass and palmetto palm, which the text later on supports, and it also highlights how that no factory can reproduce these baskets, highlighting that these baskets are handmade from sweetgrass and palmetto palm. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. Represented by. This is incorrect because represented by would mean that coiled baskets are represented by sweetgrass and palmetto palm, not that they are made from sweetgrass and palmetto palm. So because this probably doesn't carry the correct meaning, C is incorrect. D. Collected with. This is incorrect because collected with implies that these coiled baskets are not made but collected, and this isn't supported by the text because the text highlights how these baskets are made and that they are made using sweetgrass and palmetto palm. Therefore, D is incorrect. And the correct answer is B.